Do-it-yourself upscaled dog playpen. Now, we started out by a standard foldable playpen we got on the internet. This one cost about $40 or $50. I got it on Amazon. Problem is, it's very flexible. It's meant to be folded up. I tried to wire tie a couple of pieces of pipe onto it to stiffen it up a little bit. It still moved around so much it ended up scratching up my floor. I even wire tied some corner brackets to try to stiffen it up a little bit, but nothing really ever worked. It was just too light, and each one of the panels is independent, so it flexed all the time. So anyway, I started out by going to Home Depot and getting these white fence posts, PVC. They're about $12 and change each. I also got some caps for them, and in addition, I got some hardware called their rail brackets. These just look like a little piece of angle iron made out of plastic, and they do come with hardware. I screwed those brackets onto each one of the uprights so that the flat of the bracket was on the center line of the upright. And I screwed 2 on per side, and I lined up the heights with the cross members on the original playpen. You can cut these tubes down to the correct height also. I secured these just with wire ties. It was very simple. I separated the original panels and just attached them with wire ties. The next step was going to be to fill in the bottom of those uprights. I just had some scrap 4x4s, so I inserted those. I used some silicone all the way around that would hold that 4x4 in place, because I'm going to add some weight to these later with some cement, so I don't want the cement leaking through. Notice that I put a piece of felt on the bottom of the wood so that when I stand this up, the weight of the 4x4 is going to force it downward, so that this will be resting on the felt and won't scratch my floor. For additional stiffness, I added some EMT conduit. This is very inexpensive. I also got it at Home Depot. And I used some EMT connections on the inside. I just drilled a 3/4 hole. That really stiffened up each side so that the panels couldn't individually fold inward. Now I'm just adding not a lot of cement, but I wanted to add maybe 3 or 4 pounds of cement to each upright just to give it, a good base, so that if the dog jumped up on it, it's not going to move that easily. So this is the finished product. Each one of those panels is secured to the upright with wire ties. You've got the EMT conduit, which stiffens up each side, and you've got the uprights that also have some cement in the bottom to give them a little bit of weight. Much better looking, and it will hold up to literally years of use. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Check us out on the web. Thanks for watching.